So my first exercise for the fibroblastic repair phase would be explosive push-ups. This is more of a upper body workout as stated, so it wouldn't really be for the MCL, but since we're constantly in extension, it would introduce a little movement for the MCL and specifically the lower extremity, but we'd be kind of introducing the whole like plyometric phase to their workout plan or rehab plan, and getting the patient comfortable with progressing forward. So as said, nothing special. What?
Move back.
You think so?
Yeah. Just see.
I'll go. Should I just always?
Yeah, why not?
I'll just edit. So as said, we would have the patient in a normal push-up position, and then they would go down. But instead of just coming up gradually, we want them exploding, kind of lift off the floor. So, and a good way to introduce it, if that was too easy, we could have them do a clap in between push-ups. So I'll have the patient do it now. And then, so duration, this should take about a minute. This is more of a moderate exercise, especially since they have a lower body or lower extremity injury. If it was an adjustment that could be made would be if it was too uncomfortable for their MCL, even though it's not really focusing on that, we could have them start from their knees. Frequency, we would do this about 3 to 4 times a week, probably for only the first week, just to get them like familiar with the plyometric exercise. Recovery intervals, we'd give them about 1 minute in between each set, and then we'd start again. So we'd do 3 sets of 10. What else do we do?
Precautions.
Ways athlete can cheat would just be a normal push-up. We're not really going explosively into the concentric to eccentric contractions, so we make sure to educate them properly on how to do it. We have to show them again how to properly do an explosive push-up rather than a traditional normal push-up. So we would make sure if the athlete was trying to compensate, we would have them do it from the knees, or perhaps from an elevated surface, or even possibly against a wall. But you don't get as much contraction with that. So ideally we want to have gravity involved. And then we would record how many repetitions they did, or how RPE scale, see how hard it is for them. If it was too difficult, we could lower the sets or have them adjust the exercise and go to their knees. But that'd be the first fibroblastic repair phase exercise from my rehab program.